Well, finally got some parts in. Obviously the paw keeper, whatever it's called, for this door lock. There it goes. Unpopular opinion, I actually used some of that spray Raptor liner and went inside the doors and at the bottom. That way, well, those are bad about rusting down there when all those leaves get in there and moisture builds up. I cleaned them out. Cleaned them out several times while I've been working on it. Put some liner in it. That way, I don't have to worry about it. Alright, locked. Well, that's great. Now I don't want to unlock. I'm gonna have to work on that. I think it bent a little bit. But now I'm gonna go ahead and grease both doors the best I can on the inside on all that mechanism in there before I attempt to put the door panel on. I said attempt for a reason. You know, if I'm not mistaken, the old original one was steel. I think this is aluminum with some kind of, I think it's polyurethane coating. And honestly, even with a stick in it, it feels lighter than the original, which is cool. And with the cost of this one, I got a free stick. So, try to put this thing in there and see how it sits first for the door panels. That way, at least got an idea of the interior coming together. Because I know I got some work to do on the door panels, because when I first got them, I already tried to test fit them and there is an issue. It's going to be a lot harder though with the cage. I'm not sure how the heck I'm going to do it. Now, oh, I made a boo-boo. Is there a way? I did it! I found a way to do it. Probably wondering what I'm doing. You may think, yep, he got the swing out bar in the wrong location. Yes and no. Alright, so I'm sure y'all remember me, well, who've seen the episodes anyway, measuring for the bar here. Now I use the daily driver that I'm driving right now, the old work truck, because it has the original door panels in it, and I measured where this part of the armrest protruded out, and I measured it, and then I was like, okay, I'll make sure it's slow enough to clear that. Well, this is an aftermarket door panel. It is not like stock. It's a little bit different. Obviously, it looks a little different. It's different construction. But what I found out, this distance to this distance, so where it's flat and then where the angle ends, is actually different than the stock one, which makes this come down a little bit further and this angle come down a little bit lower, or actually quite a bit lower, enough to cause interference. So I now have an interference issue because of that. I better go ahead and find the lock, because it got pushed down kind of hard there. There it is. It's a plastic. There. Okay. There, and I got the lock on it so I can unlock it if it shuts. As close as I can get it. And honestly, I'm kind of barely touching here. It's not that much. I mean, oh no. Not again. Now me and my buddy Brian came up with this solution. I thought about cutting it, but I didn't really want to hole in my brand new door panel. I'm a little afraid to try this too, but I don't think I have much of a choice. And get it warm. Shut it. Ah. Let's see if I can do this. Now I see where it is. Only problem is it looks horrible now. But it shuts. So I just got it kind of worked a little bit. Hopefully it'll cool down and look a little bit better. I hope. Alright, now I shut it and went a little bit further. I'm trying to make sure it's cooled off and get it to stay where it is. It's not the greatest, but it, fully clears it. Now look at that, that's pretty good. No interference, no rubbing. I have to try to clean it up, make it look good again. But really it's on the bottom, I don't think anyone's gonna see it. But that's one problem down. Yeah, I'm just gonna work it a little bit. And hopefully it won't act up again. Maybe I need to put a little grease inside of here. Because I have to take the door panel off and figure it out a little bit. But I'll go ahead and get the other door panel in and fixed first. Probably not, actually. It might look a little worse. Now the seat brackets. Unfortunately, one of them looked like it was trampled on. And I'm pretty sure that something's not exactly right. Because it's not sitting right. The driver's side bracket's not sitting right. It measures the same on both of them, so that's not the issue, but it looked like it being trampled, looked like it's got knocked out of square. So I'm gonna have to, looks like this one, knock it back and put a level on it, and hopefully it matches the other one. I just had to take a break last night. I was getting too tired, wasn't feeling good, and come out to a fresh day, figured it out. So my problem was lying when the door was shut, because with the door open, it's really easy to turn the key. But when I shut it was the problem. Now it's not. So I had the door panel off on that side, and I was looking around, reaching in there and feeling, and there's a catch. I could feel it grab. So I might be able to show you what I did. If you can see it down in there, I'm not sure. I'll try the best I can. Right there. Okay. Okay. Right there, that little tab. I put the screwdriver on it, and I hit it a few times and knocked it down, and it took it out. It's like it's a little bit, I don't know, messed up, but now it works. And good too. So problem solved on that. Now the other door. Now I'm going to check this door before I put the panel on it. Lock it. Shut it. Well, kind of. Unlock it. I think I locked it back. Yeah, there. Okay. It's locked. It's unlocked. As long as that rod stays in, which it feels like it is. I pulled on it, it's clipped in pretty good. Be careful with that one clicks over quick. Now I put the door panel on and I'm done. There we go. It's done. Door panel's on, door locks work, door handles work. Unfortunately, UPS is running way behind. They're usually several hours already here ago. Usually around noon. It's 3 o'clock now, so they're way behind. And I got other things to do, so can't test fit the seat. Felt to be in today. Like I said, I don't want to do the carpet until I got the brackets, make sure they're supposed to be where they're supposed to be, drill the holes exactly right, cut one hole in the carpet for the bolts to go through, etc., you know. Yeah, but there we are. It's a lot more complete, looks more like a complete truck, door shut, all that good stuff. So hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, thanks for watching.